Dude, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Dude, on GoPro. On GoPro. On GoPro, bro. I know, dude. I'm right here. Hey, next time, try to call it. I hear you 4 times. All right?
I promise you.
I'll show you the footage, dude. I know, but I stuck. Dude, I'm right here. You ran 2 feet in front of you. 2 feet in front of me. 2 feet in front of me.
I was out right there.
I know, but I shot you before you even got around.
You didn't. I promise you didn't.
Dude, I'll show you the GoPro. I promise you, I'll show you. Dude, come on. Gotta be kidding me. Alright?
I promise you.
I'll show you the footage, dude. Yeah, y'all are definitely dead. Definitely dead, dude. Definitely dead.
I didn't feel it, my bad.
Yeah. Y'all are like... yeah. Really? Really? Yeah, right, dude. Yeah, right.